This is very, very strange. And what's killing me about it is lightning's over there, the moon's over here, and the stars over here. There's nothing going on over here, but there's stuff going on over there on the east side. It's just there.
Is it coming over this way?
If it was, it should have been almost to where that star is right there. It's been ever since I stepped out here and told you, look, it's been right over there. It has not moved. It's been in the same spot over those hills over there.
From that type of lightning, I don't hear no rumble or nothing.
Mm-mm.
What is that? Static?
From what though?
Clouds.
Cloud static.
Friction from a cloud.
I don't know. Clouds rub up against each other to make friction.
Yeah, heavy snow clouds. That's where you get the charge of the lightning. Clouds is very much physical. They fill up with condensation to the point where it rains.